Hello friends, as you know that in this time there is a huge discussion about the work that we should do work for 70 hours in a week. I think that there are so many people who are really doing hard work about 70 hours in a week. If you go in the rural areas, there are so many people in the village, they are doing so much hard work that sometimes they also do more than 70 hours. Just take for example, take the laborers. There are so many I would say farmers who are doing so much hard work, but there is a huge discussion about doing hard work of 70 hours in a week. I think that there are some people who are really not doing so much hard work. That's about 70 hours in a week. If you take the people who are doing work in the companies, are doing work in any office, I think these people have very limited time. For example, they are doing hard work for this 8 hours, and they are just and in this way they are not just doing work for 70 hours in a week. But I think that actually the reason is that in our society, in our nations, work depends on the uh, how much salary you are getting. Salary direct affect your work process, your work productivity, and your times, everything. And in this time, I would say that people, there are so many people who are not getting good salaries. So because of that, they are thinking that what need to do so much hard work. They are doing very limited work as per their salary, and they are not doing much more another much more, I would say, dedicate much more work beyond the salary or beyond the limitations. So they are doing work in very limited way. But the discussion about in this topic that we should do 70 hours hard work, I think this is not wrong. This is a good topic because if you take the Germany and Japan, there are so many developed nations. They fought for the Second World War, and they were demolished. I would say that they were faced so many problems. Their economy was completely brutalized at that time, but they did so much hard work. And after the Second World War, they again became the developed nation, and now they are contributing so much things to the world. And then I would say that if we also try to learn these topics and try to become hardworking people, then definitely we can also grow up, and we can also contribute much in our nation. So this can be one factor that can make our nation strong. But I would say that the people who are little bit doing government job, sometimes they think that if they are doing government job, then if they do extra hard work, then what will be the benefit of this one? So this is the one thing that people are not much more interested. And if you are doing any private works, and if you are there is your own shop, there is something that personally yours, then definitely you will do much more hard work. So I think that government also try to promote the private works, and that will be helpful for the youth, and they can also solve the problems of unemployment. And doing hard work of 70 hours means, I think it does not mean that we should be only 70 hours in a week for in the office and we should not do the work. I think we have to also increase our productivity. We have to increase our skill so that we can contribute much to the work, and we can complete the 70 hours in a week. That will be good for us and for our nation, and definitely it can help us to grow up and to become a developed nation. This is the thing that I wanted to share. Thank you friends.